Have you ever had a bad tasting cappuccino? No one likes that. Well, this 9 out of 10 times is because the machine hasn't been properly maintained and cleaned. Daily and weekly cleanings prevent powder buildup in the moving parts, especially the hoppers, the whippers, and the nozzles. When done properly, this will ensure that your machine runs at its full potential and you'll have a delicious tasting cappuccino. Here is the right way to clean a 4-flavor bun or Curtis cappuccino machine. The first step is if you open up this unit right here, you want to ensure that you cycle through the system using the rinse cycle. This is often found right here at the bottom of the last hopper. Once the rinse cycle has been initiated, feel free to rinse each of the different flavors to ensure that the nozzles have been properly flushed out. The next step is to power down the machine. You don't want to get electrocuted, and you definitely don't want your fingers jammed. So you want to unplug the machine. That way you can safely work inside the unit. Once inside the unit, you want to remove each one of these different parts. You want to remove the hopper. Remove this by gently sliding this out. Remove this unit by pulling this part out, turning the head out. This part comes right off. You see there's 2 little tabs here. Turn it clockwise and it comes straight out. This is known as the whipper. Just pull that right off. The little shaft has an indentation here, so you have to match that so it enters correctly and spins properly. With these items, you want to take them apart, rinse them out with a cleaning solution, sanitize them, and here's the important part. You want to ensure that they are completely dry, especially the hopper, before installing. Now, before you go in and you install these different pieces back in, you want to ensure that you gently wipe any dust or powder residue in these areas. As time builds up, powder will fall into these chambers and cause bacteria growth. Nasty cappuccino. So also, this where the whipper is located, you want to make sure and ensure extra detail in removing any powder buildup. Remember, important part is not to put any liquid in this area. Moisture is one of the biggest ways to kill your cappuccino machine, especially inside the hopper. Now, once you do all that and the hopper is completely dry, basically install it in reverse order. Hopper first, make sure that it falls into that tab. You want to install the mixing unit, sure it's completely lined up. Next, you want to install the whipper by matching it to the proper channel. Next, you want to install this unit by turning clockwise. Once every single one of these parts are installed, you are ready to start making cappuccinos. Again, stressing, make sure there is no moisture in these hoppers. Once you have that ready, you'll be ready to serve up a delicious cappuccino. My name is Tony, and I am a beverage bro.
I'm Mark, I'm a beverage bro. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now.